Picture this, you need toilet paper. Where do you go? Amazon, click once, get it tomorrow? Or Costco, where you buy so much toilet paper it could last you all year, but it's super cheap. This simple choice, it's a part of a huge war happening for your money. Today we're talking about why Amazon and Costco are fighting to become your favorite place to shop for everything. Hey everyone, I was thinking about this because I had this exact toilet paper problem last week. Why do some people love Amazon Prime while others are huge Costco fans? Like my brother drives 45 minutes to Costco every Saturday, his roommate orders everything on Amazon, even when it costs more. What's happening here? Well, these two companies work in totally different ways, but they both want the same thing, to be your favorite place to buy everything. And how they do it is pretty crazy. So today we are talking about this shopping war, how they make money, why they are so different, and which one might save you more money. Some of this stuff will surprise you. Let's talk about Costco first. Costco members really love their store, and there's a good reason why. Here's a cool thing about Costco. They don't make money by selling you stuff at higher prices. That sounds weird, right? Well, listen to this. Costco makes most of their money from your membership fee. That's $60 or $120 you pay each year just to shop there. Think of it like a gym membership. But instead of working out, you're buying 48 rolls of toilet paper because it's a great deal. Because they make money from memberships, they can sell things really cheap. They only add 14% to the price they pay. Other stores add 25 to 30%. So when Costco says they are saving you money, they really mean it. But here is something funny. You know how Costco moves stuff around all the time? Like, you look for a cereal and it's in a different place than last week. They do this on purpose. They want you to walk around because when you walk around, you buy more stuff. It's like a treasure hunt. Your brain gets excited when you find something awesome for a low price, even if you didn't need it. Even if you don't know where you'll put 72 protein bars, you buy them because it feels like finding treasure. Those little cups of food they give you, those aren't just being nice. They work really well. After you try something, you are way more likely to buy it, plus free snacks. Here's why this works so well. Costco treats their workers really well. They pay at least $90 per hour and give good benefits. Happy workers create better shopping experiences, which makes you want to come back, which makes that membership worth it. But shopping at Costco means buying huge amounts of everything. My brother bought ketchup there once and still have some 2 years later. Now Amazon, totally different story. Amazon looked at shopping and said, what if we just had everything and brought it to you super fast? Amazon doesn't want to be your friend like Costco. Amazon wants to be your personal shopping helper who knows what you want before you even know. Here is something cool about Amazon. They don't really make their money from selling you stuff either. They do. But their real money comes from something called Amazon Web Services. Basically, they rent computer space to other companies. That boring tech stuff helps pay for everything else, which is why they can sell you things super cheap sometimes. Amazon Prime is like Costco's membership, but it's sneakier. For $119 a year, you get free shipping. Sounds great, right? But then you start ordering everything from Amazon because hey, free shipping. It becomes your go-to place for everything. I have a brother who ordered just a phone charger on Amazon instead of walking to the store across the street. The charger cost $8, probably cost Amazon $3 to ship, but he didn't think twice because free shipping. And Amazon watches everything you do. Every click, every time you stop to look at something, every product you looked at but didn't buy. Then it shows you stuff at things you like. Sometimes I go on Amazon and things like, it's read my mind. Oh, you need a coffee mug. Here are 47 options we think you love. Sounds crazy, right? But here is something interesting. Amazon controls what shows up first when you search for something. You know that big add to cart button. Amazon decides which seller gets that button. And usually it's Amazon or someone paying Amazon lots of money. The convenience is amazing though. My brother ordered toothpaste at 11 p.m. and had it by 10 a.m. in the next day. How is that even possible? They have built this huge delivery system that's like magic. But here is the trade-off. You are giving Amazon lots of information about your life. They know when you run out of stuff, what brands you like, how much money you spend, and they use all that to make more money. Plus, shopping on Amazon can feel overwhelming sometimes. You search for headphones and get 20,000 results. Too many choices can be confusing. So where are these two big companies actually competing with each other? It's not just about toilet paper anymore. First battle, Groceries. This is a huge because you buy food all the time. Costco has been winning for families. If you are feeding 4 people, buying a giant bag of rice makes sense. But Amazon gets more serious with Whole Foods and Amazon Fresh. They are betting that convenience beats buying in bulk. Second battle, they won't store brands. Costco's Kirkland brand is amazing. Like, their bottled water is great quality but costs way less than fancy brands. Amazon Basics is okay, it's cheap, but sometimes cheap makes not as good. I bought Amazon Basics batteries once and they die really fast. Third battle, and this is new, medicine. Both companies want to be your pharmacy. Amazon Pharmacy has crazy discounts if you don't have insurance. Costco's pharmacy has been quietly awesome for years. The choice is basically, do you want your medicine delivered or do you want to talk to the real pharmacist? But here is what's really cool. They're both changing. Costco's online sales grew 15% last year. They're finally getting better at the internet thing. Amazon's trying physical stores and even faster delivery. They are getting more similar, but they still work very differently. Okay, real talk time. Which one should you actually use? If you live alone in a small apartment, Costco might drive you crazy. Where are you going to put 36 rolls of paper towels? Your neighbors will think you are preparing for the end of the world. But if you have a family with lots of storage space and don't mind planning shopping trips, Costco will probably save you lots of money. Plus, their return policy is amazing. You can return almost anything, anytime, for any reason. Amazon makes sense if convenience is most important to you. If you value time more than money, if you hate shopping, if you are living in a tiny space, Amazon is your friend. They have everything, and Prime Video is pretty good too. Here's my honest opinion. You probably need both. I know that's not the exciting answer you wanted, but they're good at different things. Use Costco for big bulk items, cleaning supplies, things that don't go bad, stuff you know you will use. Use Amazon for specific items like last minute needs and things you can't find anywhere else. The key is being smart about it. Don't just pick one because it's easy. Actually think about each purchase. And watch out for the tricks both companies use. That Costco treasure hunt can make you buy stuff you don't need. Amazon's one-click offering can make you spend money without thinking. Look, both Amazon and Costco are super successful because they have figured out different ways to make shopping feel good. Costco makes you feel like smart, unlike you're saving money. Amazon makes you feel like you are living in the future. Who wins this war? Honestly, it's probably us, shoppers. As long as we're just smart about it, when companies compete, it keeps prices good and makes them come up with new ideas. But I'm curious, what do you think? Are you Team Amazon or Team Costco? Or are you like me and use both? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And I love you hearing your shopping stories. If this video helped you think differently about where you spend your money, hit the like button. And if you want more videos about how big companies compete for your money, definitely subscribe because I have something crazy topics coming up. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.